The market for unmanned aircraft continues to grow. A great potential of such vehicles is that they can also cover greater distances out of sight. To prove that the flight is possible even outside of visual range, drone operators must perform the SORA analysis. Based on aircraft, equipment and operational scenario, a risk assessment results which allows or prohibits the operator to fly it out of sight. If the drone operator uses a flight envelope protection system, which was developed on the basis of industrial standard, she can significantly reduce her risk in terms of the SORA analysis and thus fly out of sight. We at AlphaLink have developed such a system, which is functionally safe and separate from other subsystems of the drone. The concept provides for the permanent monitoring of the drone's flight condition based on the measurements of attitude and rates. If the aircraft is outside its flight envelope, the system sends a signal to a rescue system, which then triggers a parachute. Our backup system also monitors the position of the drone. If it flies unintentionally, permanently into a forbidden area, the parachute can also be deployed. The same applies to impeding collisions with other air traffic participants or the failure of other components, such as the battery or the radio connection. The final system is based on a safety analysis which has identified all critical points in the concept and secured them, for example, via redundancies. Functional safety and thus a safe flight out of sight can be guaranteed. The system can be used for both fixed-wing aircraft and copters due to its light weight. Drone delivery in urban areas shall be possible and safe thanks to our system. A special use case worth mentioning is a cooperation with a Berlin-based delivery drone company. The LabFly drone is designed to provide medical and equipment delivery. Equipped with the AlphaLink backup system, we will showcase the potential for medical drone delivery in urban areas. For more information, get in touch with us or visit alphalink.aero.